first dish that I'm gonna demo is my roasted cauliflower. It's sweet, it's savory, it's a perfect complement to any protein you enjoy, or it's great on its own. It's very simple to make. I have cauliflower. I'm gonna put it on my baking sheet. I've lined my baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil over the cauliflower. Next, I'll sprinkle with salt and mix them all together. Pop this in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes or until golden brown. The sauce for the cauliflower is 1 part honey, 2 parts vinegar, 4 parts lemon juice, which is so refreshing after a long workout. The cauliflower looks about cooked, so I'm gonna take it out. You see it's a nice golden brown, and you hear that nice simmering noise. Now I'll toss the cauliflower with slivered almonds and currants. I prefer sliced almonds because of the mouthfeel, and the same thing with currants. Unlike cranberries or dried cherries, they're much smaller, so you get that flavor, but without that chewy, big fruit in your mouth. And then I'm gonna drizzle the sauce we made before, this sweet lemony sauce. I'm just gonna toss it, and voila, you have my favorite roasted cauliflower recipe. It's a great snack, it's a great accompaniment to a protein, or it's great for a meal on its own.